There's a beautiful image that's used in the chakra system for Muladhara, for the earth element, which is an elephant with seven trunks. And those seven trunks represent the seven tissues in the body. So the seven tissues in the body are plasma, blood, muscle, fat, bone marrow, and reproductive fluid. And so those tissues are all what we're always nourishing through our diet, through our activities, even through, the kind of stuff that we take in mentally. So we're always working actually to nourish those seven trunks. And then there's another beautiful image in the chakra system of the throat area, the communication area. And that is with a one-trunked elephant with the trunk pointing upwards so that the energy is expanding. So if we think about, the physical locations of that elephant energy in the body, we can think about it as being very much in the base of the body. So looking at legs, knees, calf muscles, feet, how we place the feet in our practice. And then also looking at this whole throat area, which really is about the shoulders, the shoulder blades, the neck, the arms. So we're going to do a practice today that incorporates grounding postures. We're going to do some balancing postures. And we're also going to do shoulder openers. So we're going to bring those two things together. And we're going to start just with a really